Hi there, students. A twerp. Twerp. This is informal English. Maybe a little bit old-fashioned as well. A twerp, a half-wit. Somebody who's a bit of an idiot. A twit. Come on, don't be such a twerp. Okay, don't get angry about nothing. Don't be a twerp about this. So a twerp is derogatory but informal. A silly, annoying person. Yeah, he's a real twerp. He's a silly, insignificant, contemptible person. Okay, so a twerp. I think a twerp is somebody who's insignificant. They're not important. They're somebody who you have a very little time for. Okay, so you're calling somebody a twerp. You're calling them silly. You're calling them stupid. You're being disrespectful to them. Yeah, they have no importance as far as you are concerned. Yeah. The company has just promoted some twerp straight out of university to be my boss, and he really doesn't know what he's doing, which is really annoying. Yeah, this little twerp put salt on my strawberries instead of on my sugar. Yeah, he's a real twerp. He's an idiot. Okay, so a twerp, a twit, a fool, an idiot. Yeah, now you've broken my pen, you twerp. I think if you call somebody a twerp, this is somebody who's perhaps easily bullied. They're an idiot, somebody who is you consider to be a half-wit, somebody who hasn't got a lot of brains, who's you feel quite a lot of contempt for this person. So I was looking in the dictionary, and it says a twerk, but to me, twerk is this modern dance, this sexually suggestive dance. So I'm not happy to link twerp and twerk. He's a twerp. He's an idiot. He's an absolute twerp. So formality. This is informal. 3, informality. Yeah, don't be a twerp, or they'll be angry with you. Yeah, just do it right. And then as to origin, the origin is somewhat argued about. There was a suggestion that it was coined maybe by J.R.R. Tolkien from the name Mr. T.W. Earp. However, the American Dictionary of Slang goes back further than that, and it may be a variant of the word a dwarf. Anyway, so a twerp. An idiot. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Twerp.